West Rand Bird Club visited Kloofendal Nature Reserve on 14th of April for some birding. We were quite lucky to see the familiar chat and a Cape rock thrush. And then we saw some pied crows chasing an African harrier hawk. On the ridge we found the wailing cisticula. Some white-rumped swifts flew over. Then we managed to see the malachite sunbird, a female. And then we had a sighting over the valley at Kloofendal. At the dam we saw some little creep. And some of the other common birds that we saw was the fiscal flycatcher, female southern fiscal, a barred-throated apalus, some speckled mousebirds and greater striped swallows.